Well, welcome to the Graves and Hal Show.
Whoa. The Hal and Graves Show.
Graves and Hal Show. I thought we discussed this earlier. We did.
Okay,
Graves and Hal
Graves
Show.
and Hal Show.
Graves and Hal Show. We're here to show you 5 of our favorite spots here at Patriots Point.
This is number 3 on our list. We're in one of 2 engine rooms on board the Yorktown. This is our forward engine room. Graves is going to spend some time telling you about this engine room and what goes on down here. As you know, I was in the Navy, but I gave Graves all the information he needs. I've trained him well, and we can see how well he does on this. If you need help, Graves, let me know.
I'll do that, Hal.
Good.
All right, as Hal said, we're in the number 1 engine room, the forward engine room, and we're standing at the number 1 engine. This is the main engine panel where the chief engineer would have his position. The chief engineer is responsible for all 8 boilers and all 4 engines, and he has instrumentation here so that he can monitor how all 4 engines and the 8 boilers are doing. The steam pressures, the water pressures, and temperatures, and all are reflected here. Up on the bridge, when the navigator determines what direction and heading and how fast they need to go to get to their location, typically they will dial 111 RPM because that would be cruising RPM. Bells would ring down here. The chief engineer would dial 111 in the lower window. You've got the forward throttle here. When you open this throttle, you start to feed steam through the turbine system, and it turns the main shaft through a series of gears. We have 4 tachometers for the 4 shafts. This is the number 1 shaft tachometer, and the throttleman could look through this little port right here to a mirror back in the back, and he could look down on the shaft, which has a peppermint stripe pattern. And that pattern gives him a visual reference to whether the shaft is turning or not.
The top 5 things to see continues on the next Hal and Graves Show.
Graves and Hal Show.
Here at Patriots Point.